Have you heard of BeardBrand? This is a brand that's all about your beard. If you have a beard, you want to watch this video. This is an awesome product. I've been using them for about 2 years. I want to tell you all about the different products they offer. There's so many different things. Let's get into the pros and cons, see if it's right for you. I'm Zachus. Here we go. So when I first started growing a beard and realizing it can be prickly and get, dry, somebody recommended a beard softener or beard oils. So I tried a beard oil. I'm not crazy about beard oils. They have beard oils if you want some. But I found this. It's a cream softener. It's called Spice Citrus. They have tons of different smells. Tree oil, Vice, Temple, if you want something more smoky. I just love this one. This is my favorite. They're actually discontinuing this one. So if you go on their site and don't find this, you can try one of their other scents because they've got tons of them. They're all really great, but this is just my favorite. And I wanted to tell you about them because I just bought a ton of this stuff because they're discontinuing my smell that I like called Spice Citrus. And so I thought, man, I bought all this product. I've got to do a video on this. Why? This is another situation where I've used this for years, probably like 4 years now, maybe 5 years. And since 2016, I've used this. So yeah, it's been 5 or 6 years. Oh my goodness. But they have soap, they have a utility balm, they have styling balm, they have beard wash, they have even shampoo that's for your hair and your beard. They have a mustache, like kind of like a softener thing you put on there like that. It smells so good, especially during the holidays like October to January. It's perfect for that. It has that really fall scent to it. That's when I use it. I love it during that time of the year. This time of the year. And I just had to do a video for you guys and show you guys. They just came out with their soap, which I love their soap. I've got Temple and the Spice Citrus of their soap. It smells so good, makes your bathroom smell so good, and it actually lasts quite a bit of time. It's called a utility bar. But it's also for your beard, so you can wash your beard with it too. Now, if your beard's getting prickly and stuff, you want to do a beard wash and a beard conditioner. They have both in the Spice Citrus or in whatever scent you like. And then you want to keep a bottle of this. You can travel with this. I travel with one of these. I have one of these in my bathroom, and now I have like a stockpile of them so that I can have some for a couple years. But you just dab a little tiny bit and just kind of rub it around. You don't want a ton, you just want a little bit to kind of soften and moisture the beard and give it a nice scent. There's also some other things that you can buy. Obviously, I've done videos on that for your beard, but this is all about BeardBrand. They have spray. If you're near the ocean or you surf or you do a lot of beach stuff, they have sea salt spray that you can spray on your beard to protect your beard and strengthen your beard from the salty water. They just have tons of stuff. They have beard clippers, scissors. They have, combs and brushes and stuff for your beard. They're called BeardBrand. They literally are the beard brand of beards. So awesome company, awesome customer service, awesome website. I'm going to put the link down below. They don't know I exist. I'm not sponsored. I'm not affiliated with them anyway. I just bought a bunch of products when I realized they were going to discontinue this Spice Citrus that I love. And so I wanted to come on and do a video for you guys and tell you about it, that it's really a good high quality product. Like I said, I've used this for at least 5 years, maybe 6 now. I've been using it for a while since I've had a beard. And I've tried tons of other products. You've seen them on this channel. If you're a subscriber, by the way, hit that subscribe button. If you're not, it's free to do so, cancel at any time. Become part of the Zachus Nation. You'll get notified first when I put up videos like this that are for men. I do stuff for men. I do Connect at Home. I do a lot of cool stuff. But this is just my thing. I've tried stuff from Target. I've tried stuff from Amazon. I've tried stuff online, specialty stuff. I've tried all kinds of stuff, and this is just the one I love. And I picked mine up the first time from the Boardroom Salon. I don't go there anymore. They've kind of gone down. But you can order these directly from BeardBrand.com. And they don't sell them on Amazon. You can find them in Target, and you can find them in men's salons if you hit the right salon. But the easiest way is to click that link and go check them out and get you some, especially if you want some of the Spice Citrus. Get it now before it's gone. You know what I'm saying? And yeah, and if you like to style your beard, if you like to, if this is, these are very similar. This is called Utility Balm, and this is beard softener. But I've used both. My hairstylist uses this mostly, and it's basically just like the softener. It's just a little thicker, a little bit more like a styling gel that you would put in your hair. But it's the same kind of softener, same kind of smell, and you can see it there. It feels so good, and it's just like it's a little more waxy, I guess is what you say, and then you put it in and you work it out into your thing. Both of these are great for your skin, by the way. They are great for underneath your beard. They kind of like protect it and lotion it so that you have that protection. Both of these do that, and there's a lot of stuff out there that does that. But it really comes down to what you like. What you like as far as feeling, because some guys like the oil. To me, the oil feels greasy and stuff, but some people like it, and there's a lot of products out there. They have a spice citrus and tree oil and Vice and Temple scents in their oils too. I just haven't tried the oils because I don't like oils, so I like the softeners. I just put a little bit here, a little bit here, a little bit here, a little bit here, and I just kind of work it out. And it smells so good, and it makes you smell good around people, and it actually softens all that bristly, tight beard. And some guys get really coarse. So I also recommend some conditioners and stuff in the shower. I wash and condition mine once a week, and I wash it several times a week. But just be sure and check out those videos if you're a man and you're looking for things, you're looking for a gift for your man. These are the kind of things that are going to be great for Christmas, especially on Christmas morning. Waking up to this scent is going to be great for you and for him. So it works out great. Your son, your brother-in-law, if there's men in your life that you're looking for a great gift idea, this is it. This is a great thing if they have a beard. If they don't have a beard, don't buy them beard stuff, okay? It's like buying socks for Christmas. All right, guys, I'm going to wrap this video up. Thank you so much for watching. I love seeing your beautiful faces, and I hope to catch you in the next Zach's video, because we're just going up and up and up. We got a lot of cool things, and I'm basically just calling this channel I Tried It, because it's basically, if I try it, I come on here and give you an honest review. Not sold to anybody, nothing like that. I just want to tell you my honest opinion about the products. We got some cool stuff coming, especially for the holidays. So be sure and check that out and hit that subscribe button. It's free to just click that button, and right below the video is the description. You'll find all my links to my gear and all my stuff. So be sure and check all that out. Thank you so much for watching. Peace.
I'm so good at pretending. Keep on smiling in my tiny bubble, like a movie without ending. Spending time like it was school.